Bookkeeping and Accountancy, Standard 12, Chapter number 8, Company Accounts, Issue of Shares. Before going to solve a question, we have to know what is share. Share is a unit in the total share capital. The total share capital can be divided into several units. Each such unit having nominal face value is called a share. In short, share is a share in share capital of a company. The person who purchases the share is called as the shareholder. Now, what is issue of share? Issue of share means when the company raises finance, it issues shares to the public, and then the company has to decide what should be the price of the share, that is, at what price the share should be sold to the public. It is called the issue price of share, which can be of different values. Shares may be issued at par, premium, and at discount. Today we are going to solve question number 2 from government textbook, which is given on page number 341. Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference share of rupees 10 each, payable as on application rupees 4, on allotment rupees 3, on first call rupees 2, on second and final call rupees 1. Company received application for all this share and received all money. Pass journal entries in the books of Anand Company Limited. Here we have to pass journal entries. See the working note. Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference share of rupees 10 each, payable as. Now, in this 10 rupees, there are 4 stages involved, that is, on application rupees 4, on allotment rupees 3, on first call rupees 2, on second and final call rupees 1. Here, share of rupees 10 is sold at 10 rupees in the market. Therefore, it is called as a issued at par. Issued at par means where the face value and market price is one and the same. Now, before going to pass the journal entries, we have to know basic entries of issue of share. See here, first stage is an application stage. Here we have to pass 2 journal entries. That is, first, here we have to write receipt entry, then transfer entry. Receipt entry is bank account debit to share application account. Transfer entry is share application account debit to share capital account. Then next, second stage is an allotment stage. Here we have to first pass transfer entry, then receipt entry. Transfer entry is share allotment account debit to share capital account. Receipt entry is bank account debit to share allotment account. Next, third stage is an first call. Here we have to first pass transfer entry, then receipt entry. Transfer entry is share first call account debit to share capital account. Receipt entry is bank account debit to share first call account. Then fourth stage, second and final call. So here also we have to first pass transfer entry, then receipt entry. Transfer entry is share second and final call account debit to share capital account. Receipt entry is bank account debit to share second and final call account. Here in every stage we have to pass 2 journal entries. Remember, only in application stage, first we pass receipt entry and then transfer entry. Other than application, on allotment stage, first call stage, second call stage and final call stage, we pass first transfer entry and then receipt entry. Now see the working note for application stage. Here Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference share of rupees 10 each on application rupees 4. So we have to multiply 1 lakh into 4 rupees 4 lakh rupees. Now we have to just put this amount in these entries. So on application stage, first we have to pass receipt entry and then transfer entry. So your receipt entry is bank account debit to share application account, and for transfer entry you have to write share application account debit to share capital account. Now this entry we have to write in journal entry. See here, your first entry will come bank account debit to preference share application account. In the question preference share given, so we have to write here preference share application account. So your entry will be bank account debit to preference share application account, debit rupees 4 lakh, credit rupees 4 lakh. Narration will come being application money on 1 lakh preference share at rupees 4 per share received. It is your receipt entry. Now we have to pass transfer entry. Transfer entry will come preference share application account debit to preference share capital account, debit 4 lakh, credit 4 lakh. Narration being application money on 1 lakh preference share at 4 per share transferred to preference share capital. Now see the working note for allotment stage. Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference share of rupees 10 each on allotment rupees 3. So we have to multiply 1 lakh into 3 is equals to 3 lakh rupees. So we have to pass allotment entry. In allotment, first we have to pass transfer entry, that is share allotment account debit to share capital account. After that we have to pass receipt entry, that is bank account debit to share allotment account. See here, third entry will come preference share allotment account debit 3 lakh to preference share capital account credit 3 lakh. Narration will come being allotment money on 1 lakh preference share due at 3 per share. On allotment stage, first we have to pass transfer entry, then receipt entry. Now we have to pass receipt entry for allotment stage. Entry will be bank account debit 3 lakh to preferential allotment account 3 lakh. Narration being allotment money on 1 lakh preference share at 3 per share received. Now see the working note for first call. Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference share of rupees 10 each on first call rupees 2. So 1 lakh multiplied by 2 is equals to 2 lakh rupees. So here we have to pass entry. First we have to pass transfer entry, then receipt entry. First call's transfer entry is share first call account debit to share capital account. Receipt entry bank account debit to share first call account. Now we have to pass this entry in journal. So fifth entry will preference share first call account debit 2 lakh to preference share capital account credit 2 lakh. Narration being share first call money on 1 lakh preference shares due at 2 per share. In first call stage also we have to first pass transfer entry, then receipt entry. Already we passed here transfer entry, now we have to pass receipt entry. So sixth entry will be bank account debit to preference share first call account, amount is 2 lakh. Narration being share first call money on 1 lakh preference share at 2 per share received. Now see the working note for second and final call. Anand Company Limited issued 1 lakh preference share of rupees 10 each. Here on second and final call rupees 1. So 1 lakh multiplied by 1 is equals to 1 lakh rupees. So here we have to pass two entries, that is transfer entry and receipt entry. Transfer entry will be share second and final call account debit to share capital account. Receipt bank account debit to share second and final call account. Now we have to pass this entry in journal. So seventh entry will be preference share second and final call account debit 1 lakh to preference share capital account credit 1 lakh. Narration will come being share second and final call money on 1 lakh preference shares due at 1 per share. Here also we first pass transfer entry, then now we are going to pass receipt entry. Receipt entry will be bank account debit 1 lakh to preference share second and final call account credit 1 lakh. Narration being share second and final call money on 1 lakh preference share at 1 per share received. Now finally we have to do casting, that is debit 20 lakh and credit 20 lakh. Thank you.